Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of May 24 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Aries. Aries, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, di lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Pero of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads, naway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aries? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap? Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give me information po. There is a Four of Cups. Just reevaluate or analyze. No, kailangan mo pag-isipan. No, bago mo tanggapin yung isang offer na to, kailangan liliwanagin mo muna. No, hindi pwedeng sugab ng sugab. No, just reevaluate or analyze. And of course, visualize. And there's a Three of Cups. There's a lot of celebration coming in. No, maraming celebration na magaganap. There's a lot of events, family gathering, happiness. Let's see. And there's something guys with a Four of Swords. No, something rest. No, ipahinga mo naman yan daw yung katawan lupa mo. Na makinig ka sa inner voice mo, sa mga gabay mo. No, maging mahinahon. Huwag kang magmamadali. No? Let's see, there's the Kingman. You're feeling stuck. No? Kumaga hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. No, hindi ka pa makaalis dyan sa situation. Let's see. My goodness. Okay, so there's something the Kingman. Na para sinasabi ito, you're feeling stuck. No, nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation as of now. No, you're feeling exhausted. No? Let's see, what is the additional messages? Okay, oh my goodness. May nalagdag na pala. And this is something, the Eight of Cups, something moving forward. Na makaka-move on ka din. Na makakawala ka din sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No, moving on and moving forward. There's something, the Seven of Wands, protection at mga nag-aamo yung sarili mo. No? May mga tao sa paligid mo na kailangan maging aware ka. No, mag-ingat ka. Nasa mo pinananaginip ka ng kung ano-ano. No? Hindi ka mapakali. Balisa ka dito. Protection at pangalaga may sarili mo. Additional messages. And because there's something that Ten of Wands, something burden. Na meron talaga nagbibigay sa ng pabigat or maaring meron talagang gumagawa sa ng hindi maganda dito. Maaring nararanasan mo at unti-unti ka dito. What is additional messages? What are Three of Cups? Represent what? Represent with the Justice card, Justisya. Na lahat ng mga bagay maaaring pumabor sa'yo. Na magtiwala ka na sa ginagawa mo. No? Makakamit mo tong justisya na to. And there's a Queen of Cups. There's a karma dito ha. And there's a Queen of Cups represent something emotional healing. No? Magiging maayos ang pakiramdam mo dito. What is the Hangman? Represent with the Nine of Cups, so wish fulfillment. So matutupad din mga pangarap mo. May mga bagay na may sasakatuparan mo na dito. Ano man yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo, maaaring nakakaranas ka ng delays, but definitely matutupad din yan. And this is something, the Hermit card, something, sabi ko na this is something spiritual awakening or something spiritual journey. Na may mga pinagdadaanan ka about sa spiritual, pero unti-unti ka rin dyan makakabangon, makakaraos. What is the Seven of Wands? Represent with the Page of Pentacles, invest wisely. No? Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, makuha, mag-ingat ka. Huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong information with other people. Na marami naiingit sa'yo. What is the additional messages tayo with the Four of Cups because the Ten of Wands? There's a tower moment with the major changes, no? Meron talaga nagbigay sa'yo dito na para pabagsakin ka. Nasa mo pinagbigay ng lucky charms, something charms, no? Na maaaring kumagay unti-unti ka nito na para malasing ka, pabagsakin ka. And this is something the Nine of Pentacles with the security. Na magkakaroon ka ng seguridad dito, ayusin mo. Na pangalagaan, proteksyonan mo ang iyong sarili. What is additional messages? And there's a Knight of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights? No? Some of you, nagigising ka sa of nowhere. Nagigising ka na madaling araw. 2, 3, 4 a.m. ganyan. And there's a 12 ka with a partnership. Mag-ihit ka sa mga taong kakausapin mo. Baka mabudol ka dito, ha? Meron na ka na sense dito na maaaring ma-hypnotize ka. Now, there's a the wheel of fortune with a good luck. Turning back. Now, suswertihin ka na this time. Magiging maganda ng ikot ng kapalaran para sa'yo. Na makakawala at makakalaya ka din yan. There's a good karma. And there's an 8 of cups. 8 of pentacles, sorry. There's a focus. Mag-concentrate ka sa ginagawa mo. Mag-focus ka. And of course, huwag ka magpapadala ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo. Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Huwag ka nag-share ng information. Additional messages for the outcome. So, there's a Queen of Wands. Confident. Lakas mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dito. Let's see. And of course, there's something, the 8 of Swords. Now, there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. Not just being aware. Now, sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, there's a 7 of Cups. Maaring meron dito nanggugulo or maaring ginugulo niya yung isip mo. No, para mawala ka sa focus. Para mag-low blood ka, gano'n. And there's something, the 6 of Wands, for victory is yours. Pero magtatagumpay ka pa rin. Na magiging maayos pa rin ang kalagayan at sitwasyon ng dalawa ng partner mo. Marunong ka lang dumistansya at kumawala dyan sa mundong ginagalawan mo. Now, there's the moon card with the revelation. Now, marami kang bagay na matutuklasan, malalaman. And of course, there's something that's Ten of Pentacles with a long term. Na magkakaroon ka ng long term financial security, pang matagalan. No? At mag-focus ka lang sa ginagawa mo dahil itong pera na darating sa'yo ay maaring magdala sa'yo na malaking pagbabago. No? Basta pagdating sa finances, protectionan mo ang iyong mga pinaghirapan. The Star card represents something healing, recovery, a wish fulfillment. So, see, what is additional messages for finances and career, love life, at kalusugan? Alamin na natin yan, guys. So, let's watch this. Let's see. About sa finances and career represent what? There's an 8 of Wands with a fast communication and fast movement. Now, bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. Makakatanggap ka ng phone call and messages and email. Now, there's a lot of transactions, customers, and there's a Ten of Swords. Mag-ingat kami sasabotahe sa eksena mo. Na mayakad lang at may tututol sa eksena parang i-betray ka. Now, there's an Empress card for revert, disconnect from the world. Huwag ka magtitiwala basta-basta. No? And this of the Days of Pentacles, now there's something yung big shot and big money coming in. May malaking pera darating sa buhay mo. Na may malaking oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo. And because there's something that magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mamamanifest. Unti-unti mo na may sasakata para na unti-unti mo na makukuha. No, there's into reality. Matagal mo na itong pangarap, pero abot kamay mo na ngayon. And there's a 7 of Pentacles with a harvest moment. Aani ka na. Oh my God, may malaking bagay na, or may malaking pera talagang darating dito. No? Makukuha mo. Matagal mo na itong hinihintay. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, there's a 3 of Wands. There's a waiting for, naghihintay ka na resulta, document papers. And there's a 3 of Swords, no? There's an insecure. No, there's a something painful situation. Meron ditong bagay na maaring kumbaga humantong sa break-up, separations. No, dahil dito sa mga sumasabotahe sa iyo. No, there's a Queen of Pentacles. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung finances mo. No, there's a the Sun card. No, magiging maganda at magiging maayos ang kalalabasan. May enlighten, maliliwanagan ka na. No? And there's the World. Represents something trouble, success, accomplishment. Now, marami kayong bagay na makukuha nitong person mo. Now, your person is very devoted, supportive, or either you are also devoted. No? What is the additional messages pagdating sa kalusugan mo? There's a high five for a lesson learned, no? Matuto ka na. Some of you may religious factor dito without something orasyon. No, meron palipad na hangin. And there's a 6 of Pentacles. No, maging balance ka, physical, mental, and emotional. No, and there's something, the King of Swords. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na makakasira at makakasama sa iyong kalusugan. Iwasan mo yung mga bawal. No, there's a 6 of Swords. No? Kumbaga, nasa paligid mo yung mga bagay na sisira sa eksena mo. Kailangan mo umalis dyan. No? There's a collaborations. May connection kayo nitong person na to. No, maaaring kumbaga, mayroon ditong ano na parang aalis na or parang gusto nang umalis. No? Protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo dito. Umiwas ka sa mga no, sa mga kinakain mo na hindi masusustansya, mga unhealthy foods. So, let's see what is the additional message tayo with the magic of fire messages, advices, and of course, a pick a card, yes or no. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. The request, guys, no, ang pick a card, yes or no, mag-iisip ka ng tanong, the request isa lang magiging sagot. No? It's either 1, 2, or 3. No, pumili ka na isa doon, comment down below kung ano napili mo. So guys, let's see what is the magic of fire messages represent what? Let's watch this. What is the magic of fire messages represent what? With the magic of fire messages represent what? Dietary change. So kailangan mo mag-diet dito, ha? Umiwas ka sa mga unhealthy foods. And there's a holiday. Ngayong holiday na ito masasagot ang mga katanungan mo. No, hindi something vegetarian. See, more on veggies. Di ba, more on gulay ka ngayon. Vegetarian ang atake mo ngayon. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent with a dream and message. No, maraming mensahe sa'yo na ipapakita, ibabahagi sa panaginip mo. And there's a contract. No, may signing contract at magkakaroon ng bagong career. No, there's a spying, looking, watching at you. Maraming nakasubaybay sa'yo, ha? Maraming nakatingin sa'yo dito. What is the synchronicities represent what? Four synchronicities represent what? Represent with a sister. Some of you may sister dito. Maaaring may kinalaman to sister sa'yo. And of course, this is something that the artist, no, dramatically, actress, no, maaaring magaling magdrama tong sister mo, or maaaring kayong dalawa. Charis. Ganon. Kumbaga may something na pwede kayo mag-artista dito, or maaaring artista kayo. Or, diba? And there's the world. No, some of you travel. Magkakaroon dito ng travel. And there's a love, no? Malaking factor mo dito sa buhay mo ang pag-ibig, ang relasyon. No, mayroon talagang travel ako na sa sense dito kasi dalawang beses lumabas yung the world, no? What is the romance angels represent what? For a Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's a between the lines, no? Look what hidden. Malalaman mo na yung mga bagay na nakatago sa likod ng itong bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. And there's a regret and mistakes na may mga pagkakamali ka nagawa na pinagsisisihan. No, meron ditong nagsisisi sa maling ginawa. Ganon. And this is something competition with the other women. Some of you meron dito kakompetensya, kalaban. No? Let's see what is an angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent with the 24-24 with the good times. You are worthy of affection, leisure, and pleasure. If you tell your family how you feel, you find that you're on the same page and can work together effectively. Many people are rooting for you. If you spread love, it will find its way back to you multiplied, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-share with your family. Baka pares kayo nararamdaman. No, pares kayo naranasan. Diba? What is the money move oracle deck? Represent with the savings. Some of you, may kinalaman talaga about sa savings. Sa pera. No? Meron talaga dito, guys, na maaaring, kumbaga, related, may darating na malaking pera or maaaring kailangan mo mag-savings, no? What is the path of the light? Represent what? Represent, guys, with dispersion. Now, take one step at a time. Focusing on the present moment. I release all doubt and fears, allowing peace to flow into my life as I trust the journey and embrace the calm. So, see? Kumbaga, papakawala mo na yung takot at pangamba mo. No? Kumbaga, kayo tinatanggap mo, and of course, tinatanggap mo at pinapasok sa sarili mo, no? Ang kapayapaan at unti-unting dadalo ay ang tiwala sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo. No? Kumbaga, ngayon, magiging mahinahon ka, unti-unti lang, gamay-gamay lang, na magtatagumpay ka rin sa gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. There's a shadow work represent what? What is the shadow work represent what? The shadow work represent with a battle within. Now, inner conflict and resolution. The greatest war you wage is against yourself. Now, walang ibang kalaban dito kundi ang sarili mo. Ibig sabihin dito, dapat hindi ka, kumbaga, hindi mo dapat kinokontrol yung sarili mo sa lahat ng bagay. Makinig ka sa gabay mo. No? And there's a what lies beneath with the future. What lies beneath with the future represent what? And there's an envy. See, insecure. Na meron talaga naiinggit sa'yo dito. Diba? Meron talaga naiinggit. May insecure, may inggitera. Let's see what's the clarifying for a love situation. For clarifying for a love situation represent with poker face. Be aware of hidden intention and underlying motives. No, meron talaga, mag-ingat ka ha. Kasi meron talagang lihim na intention ng tao na to. No, may motibo siya kaya niya ginagawa yan. Mag-ingat kayo ha, there's a spying. Talaga nakasabay-bay. No, nakakapasok sa inyong tahanan or either sa buhay mo. What is the clarifying for a love situation? Maaring kapatid mo pa to. No, na maaring naiinggit sa'yo. Enjoy the journey, embrace each moment, fully staying open to the new experiences and lesson along the way. So, kumaga, tanggapin mo lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. No, tanggapin mo ng buong buo at kailangan mo maghintay, no? At tumanggap ng mabagong opportunities at matuto sa mga leksyon na pinagdaanan mo. So, let's see guys, what is the additional messages with a pick card, yes or no? So, let's watch this. With a yes or no, pick a card. Now, let's start tayo with the number 1. Sino yung mga nakapili ng number 1? Ito na yon. And there's a no. Your ideals are rejected, not satisfied with the result. No, yung iniisip mo ay maaaring hindi karapat-dapat, no? Hindi siya makakatulong, no? At hindi magiging maganda resulta. Umiwasan mo, tigilan mo. Number 2, there is something yan, no? Again, stormy relationships, trouble strike, uproar. Ibig sabihin ng inyong relasyon ay, kumbaga, nasa isang sitwasyon kayo ng pagsubok, no? Kumbaga, sinusubukan dito kung matatakot ka o mangangamba ka. No, kung titignan dito ang iyong tapang. What is the additional messages to the number 3? And there's a no again. Don't risk at all. This is a losing for position. Huwag mong ilaban lahat. Huwag mong isugal lahat ng eksena. No, dahil hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga bagay na mangyayari pa. Baka tuluyang maglako, tuluyang mawala sa'yo. Ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of May 24 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Aries. Aries, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, sabay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisik sikliglig na gumapo na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see the next video. Bye-bye and babush.